All right, so I just wanted to give you a closer look to this little caps right here. They're magnetic, so essentially what they do is that they cover this ugly things that you have here in the Harley, right? So you have this little black little things that usually your pack or your backrest and stuff like that, they clip them into that. Obviously, if you have a backrest, it's different. I got a tour pack right now. So, but again, you have this little black things that typically is either for a backrest or a tour pack. So you have just little things. And the cool thing about it is that you just put them there and you cover them, right? So look how different that looks compared to before. Okay, so here's my Road King Classic 2005 with my Burley 16-inch cables, Arleness 90-degree sucker, my Saddle Man step up 2 right there. And again, as you come in, here is the chrome piece. Again, not something that is really visible on a Vagger, but again, it's just a little detail that if you want to cover those things out of the way so you don't have that black spot for really not too much money, you could cover that up. And again, here's the bike. Looks really good.